So we have a manufacturer who came through and wanted to do a demo for us here at the shop. He manufactures a product that you put into your air conditioner system. It's a synthetic oil additive that you put in, and it's supposed to dramatically reduce the friction, which will increase the life of your air compressor for your AC, and it'll also drop dramatically the temperature that comes out of the vent. So we're going to give that a shot. So this is a 2017 Nissan Titan XD. This is my personal truck, and it has 99,660 miles on it. So I'm going to try to film this as we go so there's no breaks in it, so you guys can kind of get a feel for if it's actually working. I don't know anything about it either, but we're going to try it out together. We're here with the company. The company is called Ice Cold.
Ice Cold Technology.
All right, and we are with...
I'm Don Bryan. I'm the president of Ice Cold Technology, and this is the product Ice Cold. We're going to be installing it today in a 2017 Nissan Titan with about 100,000 miles on it, and we're going to do a test. So we're going to shoot the supply air temperature with a laser thermometer before we install the product. After we get the AC good and cold inside and think we've got it down to about as cold as it's going to get, and then we'll install the Ice Cold product. This particular truck has 134A. This is the recommended pump that we use with the Ice Cold, and we actually have these in stock so we can supply them to our dealers and installers. The pump is very easy to use. It comes with a 134A valve. We also include a 1234YF valve when we send them out, so you've got both types of valves for both refrigerants. The pump has a straw on it, and our 16-ounce bottles that we manufacture ourselves screw right onto this bottle, so it's very simple and easy to use. What we're going to do once we get the bottle on, the most important thing is to bleed the air out of the hose so that we're not injecting any air into the system. And for this type of vehicle this size, we're only going to be installing 1 ounce of product. So it's very simple. It's about 6 squeezes of the full squeezes of the pump. The bottles also come with ounce marks on them, so you'll be able to tell exactly how much product's going into the vehicle. Once it's in, we'll give it 5-10 minutes, let it run, and then we'll reshoot the air temperature with the laser thermometer and see what our difference is. And that's basically how we do the proof of concept on vehicles and show people how effective the product is. So to talk a little bit about the product, the Ice Cold product is manufactured right here in the USA, right outside of Dallas, Texas, which is where our headquarters is, and we do all of the manufacturing right there, and that's where we ship from in Plano, Texas. And the product has been around for more than 20 years. It's used in all types of applications, everything from automobile installations all the way up to the biggest 2,000-ton centrifugal chillers and everything in between, as well as refrigeration and refrigerated distribution in your refrigerated trailers. The product's always been proven to work very well. It's very safe to use. The company, we offer a 1-year warranty on any compressor that's installed with this product. We also carry complete liability insurance, and in more than 20 years, we've never had a single claim of damage the product's caused, and it's never failed to work. We distribute this product all over the world, and again, it just never fails to work. It's a great product. It's very safe to use. It comes in 2 different sizes, 16-ounce bottles and 1-gallon containers. Today we are at Truck Repair Plus in Tampa doing a demo on a truck. We're getting ready to film that, and you'll be able to take a look at the results that we get. But you can reach out to us at www.icecoldtech.com and find out more information on our website and get any questions that you have answered from there. All right, the first thing we're going to do is attach our Ice Cold product to our pump and get everything ready. You always want to shake the bottle up. Just make sure you've got it mixed up good inside the bottle. You want to keep everything as clean as possible so you're not getting any type of contaminants in with the product. Like we mentioned before, product screws right onto the pump. Very easy to use. When you receive the pump, it comes with a 134A valve. This valve has a bleeder adapter on it, which allows you to prime the pump. So all we do is discard a good thick stream of product so we know we've got all the air out of the hose. And then what you're going to want to do is just remove this bleeder valve, and now you're ready to install inside the vehicle. So the first thing we want to do is we want to check the refrigerant pressure. We want to make sure that we're within the normal range of refrigerant. If it's at the very top, then by adding this product, sometimes you can slightly overcharge the system and you won't get the proper reaction. So, and if it's low on refrigerant, you're not going to get a good reaction from the product because the system is not properly charged. So you want to just make sure you're in the right spot when you go to do that. So just a simple test of it with the refrigerant. All right, ice cold dawn here, and we're inside the 2017 Nissan Titan where we're doing our test, and we're going to use a laser thermometer here to test the temperature of our supply air that's coming out. And we want to make sure that when we come back, we do it in the exact same spot. Right now we're running it, it's around 59 degrees. So 59 is what we're at right now. It's about 11:56, and we're in Tampa, Florida. It's got to be upper 80s, 90 degrees right now, something like that. So we're going to go install the product and give it a few minutes to react, and we'll check our temperature again. All right, we're all ready. We're going to install the ice cold in the low pressure suction port. Once we have that attached, it's just a matter of simply making sure that it's connected good. All right, we've hooked our 134A adapter up to the low pressure suction side, and we're going to pump it in. You only need 1 ounce in a vehicle. Six full strokes is 1 ounce with this pump, and that's all you got to do. Disconnect that. The product's in. The installation's complete, so we'll give it a few minutes, let it work its way through the system, and then we'll test the air temperature inside the vehicle again. All right, what we're going to do now that we've completed our installation, and one of the most important things about this pump so that it lasts for quite a while, is that you clean it properly at the end of each day. You don't have to clean it after each installation, but at the end of each day, you want to make sure that you clean it properly. So the way to do that is just simply unscrew the bottle from the pump, shake a little bit of that product that's in the straw out into the pump. You're going to reattach the bleeder valve onto there, and then we're just going to take any excess product that's in the pump and we're going to put it back into our bottle so that we can use that, because that's good product. There's nothing wrong with it. Once we do that, put the cap back on the bottle nice and tight so that it's airtight. And then the way you flush this pump at the end of each day is you use this 91% isopropyl alcohol. And all we're going to do is get about 3 good pulls of that through there and flush that product. That's going to clean any of the O-rings that are in there. It's going to clean the product out of the hose and keep it nice and ready for the next use. That's the best way to properly clean your pump so that you're not constantly having to buy a new one every time that you want to use the pump. All right. Okay, so we're back inside the cab after installing the product. We've given it a few minutes to react. It's only been about 10 minutes since we took our post-install video to measure the temperature. And so now we're going to do our temperature, and we are already down at 50. Yeah, it's at 50.20, 49. Yeah, so you can see we've dropped 10 degrees in about 10 minutes after installing the product. So um, that will continue to get better after there's about 100 miles on the vehicle. And then after a few hundred miles, it will be even better. But the good thing about this product is once it's in the system, it's there. So it'll be in there for the life of the compressor. And you're going to have much cooler air in your cab. It's going to cool off faster. It's going to keep you comfortable for longer, and it's going to improve the overall performance of your air conditioning system for its life. So. All right, we're doing another test. This is 67.2. Seems to be holding right there. This was a 2009 Toyota Tacoma with 188,000 miles. So we're going to put the ice cold in and let it react, and then we'll check the temperature afterwards. All right, so this is our Toyota Tacoma, and we're going to put 1 ounce of product inside, low pressure suction side. All right, the product's installed, and we'll give it a few minutes to react, and then we'll check the temperature inside again. All right, so we're back inside the Toyota Tacoma with 188,000 miles. It's only been 10 minutes since we installed the ice cold product. We started at 67 degrees, and we're down 54, 54.5. So a good 13-degree drop there in just 10 minutes. Just another example of how quick and effective the product works. All right, here we go with another auto demo. We're in a 2016 Honda CR-V with 140,000 miles. It's 91 degrees outside, and we've been letting the AC run for a while to get down as cold as we think we can get it, and we're at 60.7 degrees right now, 60.4. So we're going to go install the ice cold product, and we'll give it a few minutes to react, and we'll check out what our temperature is afterwards. All right, we've got our product hooked up to the low pressure suction side, our 2016 Honda CR-V, and we're going to put 1 ounce of product in. And that's it. It's that simple. All right, there's our post video. We got it down to 47.7. It was at 62.4 before putting the ice cold in. We just gave it about 10 minutes, and we've got a pretty significant temperature drop again. So another testimonial that the product works great. All right, so we just finished testing 3 different vehicles, all different types, a smaller truck, a 4-door car, and a larger truck, all different years, different ranges of miles on them, and we got great results on all 3. Want to thank James at Truck Repair Plus in Tampa. You can reach out to him in Tampa if you want to have the product installed in your vehicle. If you're looking to have a fleet taken care of, you can reach out to us directly at icecoldtech.com. And we've got plenty of videos on our website. You can find out more about the product, and just give us a call and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.